Hi, it's Gary Fales. I want to talk about asset protection trusts a little bit more today. You know, Nevada's not the only state that has asset protection trusts. There are several other states that have them. There's about 12 or 13. However, Nevada has the best because it has, among other reasons, it has the shortest period of time that your creditors can try to attack the trust. And the law says in Nevada that creditors, when you transfer assets into the trust, they can try to reverse it, they can try to pull it out, and they can argue that if it's within 2 years from the date that you actually transfer the asset into the trust, or if it's within 6 months after they discover that the asset has been transferred in. Now, there is one other state, I believe, that says that 3 years, that the creditors have 3 years, and all the other states say 4 years. So Nevada has the shortest period of time, 2 years. And many states that do have these trusts, they say that there's also a 1 year window, that the creditor has 1 year from the date that they discover that there's been a transfer. And in Nevada, it's only 6 months. Plus, what does it mean by discovery? If the creditor has 1 year or 6 months from the time that they discover that you transferred the asset into the trust, that could take a long time. What if they don't discover for 3 or 4 years that you transfer the assets into the trust? Well, then that says, the law says they have an additional 1 year or an additional 6 months in which to come after you. However, in Nevada, it says that they have 6 months from the date that they discover the transfer, and discovery means that when it's been recorded in the county, that the transfer has been recorded in the county in which the property is located. So this is easy. All you have to do is record the transfer, and it starts that 6 month window. Effectively, what that means is that if the creditor can choose between the 2 year window, the 2 years from transfer, or the 6 month from discovery, that 6 months from discovery isn't going to help them anymore. And so they're effectively going to only be able to argue that they have 2 years in which to attack your trust. Okay, that's a little bit confusing, but it's important to understand because these aren't free-for-alls. You have to get through these certain time periods. So hopefully that helped, and you, with a little bit of me, were protecting your passions. Thank you.